To check your grades online, you'll go to our school website, www.stmcougars.net. You'll then go to the top right corner to the Quick Links drop-down menu and click on Plus Portals. In a few weeks, you'll get an email on how to register your account. It will be your school email address with a temporary password. If you forget your password, you can reset it directly through the website. Please note, this is one of the few programs on campus that is not run by the technology department. So if you have any problems with your account, you will need to see Ms. Mamie Romero. All of your classes will be on the left, with the grade for the classes next to the class. On the right will be all of your most recent grades with all subjects. If you scroll down a little more, you could see your absences. It's important to get your absences excused. Otherwise, all unexcused absences will result in all made-up work being capped with a 70% grade. If you scroll down a little bit more, you could see the Student Parent Handbook and the Bell schedules. Thank you for your time and have an amazing school year.